In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the feature on the Google Chrome mobile browser to ask where to save each individual file before downloading. So this will apply for the iOS and Android version, basically anything that's running the Chrome mobile app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the Chrome browser and go down and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down underneath Advanced and go all the way down near the bottom where it says Downloads. Go ahead and select that. And if you want to turn on Ask Where to Save Files, toggle this top option to the On position. So it'll be toggled to the right just by clicking inside of it one time. It'll say it's on. And that's all you have to do if you want to disable that. So will not ask where to save files. It'll just automatically download to this download location at the top. Then you could have it turned off. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.